All right, so we're here at our little lake here in northwest Arkansas. And we're about to get the kayaks in the water, but we're gonna try right here first, because every time we come here, we pull Mondo bass out of this little spot right here. Oh yeah, got one on. Oh, fish on, boys, fish on. Yep. Not bad. It's okay. Come on. Yep, not bad. It's first cast. No, it's okay. I've done that here before. Well, that's probably pretty close to a pound. All right, let's get this bad boy back in the water. And if there's one in there, there's going to be more. Get him back in the water. There you go. Take off. All right. As you can tell, we're getting a little wet this morning. Got some rain coming in. But as you can tell, it didn't stop us. I'm a pterodactyl. Gotta watch out for those things. They'll get you. In the boat. It's not that big. All right. Here we go, boys. Another one. Second one of the day. It's been a little slow this morning, but I'll take it. Well, he swallowed this thing. All right, there we go, on the lunker log. Yeah, it was on the lunker log. And of course, it broke it in half. These little O-rings right here are a lifesaver, unless you're using lunker logs, and then I guess you only catch one fish and have to put another one on. But these things do smell good. Can you smell it? Smells delicious. The old Googan baits. 5-inch lunker log. Get the old wacky tool out. You can see how wet we've been this morning. It's been raining all morning. It's just now about to stop. So hopefully these fish start to bite now. And just hook it right underneath that O-ring, right there. And that is money, the secret sauce. We're right here on the dam of this little lake. Always have pretty good luck on fishing the dam side. See if we can't get another one. Let's get turned around and go back the other direction. Dude, I just fought that stick all the way in, dude. I fought it like a champ, dude. Wow.
In that spillway, remember?
Whew, yep. Oh, right now?
No,
Oh.
that's another day.
Oh, dude, yeah, you feel like an idiot when you fight it all the way in like that. And the whole time you're just hung up.
I get close to this thing.
All right, looks like Devin's on the board. Let's go over here and check him out. I'm trying to tie back on after getting hung up. Let's go see Devin's fish. Here, let me check it out before you throw it back. Not bad. There you go.
Sure.
Devin's got two now.
Two for the day.
Yep, that's awesome. All right. Here, yep. Are you gonna do a release right over here?
Yeah.
See if we can get it
Get
on
it.
there. Yep. You want me to take a picture of it?
Can you?
Yeah. I can do it with my phone.
Two fish that caught out of that little hole, same spot.
All right, hold it up there. Awesome. Two of them at that same spot?
Yep. We can go back to it.
Awesome. Not bad. Another fish on. He hit it on the fall too. Come on. Oh yeah, he is pretty good. Yeah. Is he? Come on, don't. Get in the boat. That's what I'm talking about. Nice little chunk. There we go, boys. It's been a slow morning, but we still catching. Yeah, I hear him. Got a 2-hour extension. This one's been ate up on the side or something. All right. Later, dude. All right. Yep. Got another one on.
Good one?
It's about the same size what we've been catching.
Is that number 4?
Yeah. All right, there we go. We still catching.
Yakety yak.
Don't talk
come
back. Yakety yak, don't talk back.
Peanut butter jelly time.
Oh yeah.
Can we help you lift that bad boy up?
Yeah, we can.
Yabba-dabba-doo.
Actually, we'll dump the water out real quick. All right, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. We were on the kayak for about 6 hours today. Between the three of us, we caught about 10 fish. So, what a terrible day. But stay tuned for more fishing videos, and we appreciate you guys checking out our video. Thanks, guys.